Pay attention. I'm going to tell you how to make money while still explaining why you don't want to become a billionaire. Once upon a time, an American investment banker was sitting on a quiet coastal pier in a Mexican village when a small boat arrived, carrying only one fisherman. There were several large fish inside the boat, and the banker congratulated the fisherman on his catch. Curious, the banker asked the fisherman, "How long did it take for you to catch them?" The fisherman replied, "Oh, only a little while." The banker then asked why the fisherman didn't stay out longer and catch even more fish. The fisherman replied, "I already have enough. I have plenty to support what me and my family need." The banker was confused and asked, "But what do you do with the rest of your time then?" The fisherman responded, "I sleep late, fish a little, play with my children, take siestas with my wife, and stroll into the village each evening where I sip wine and play guitar with my amigos. I have a full and busy life." The banker saw an opportunity and said, "I have an MBA from Harvard and I can help you. If you spend more time fishing and catch more fish, you can use the proceeds to buy a bigger boat, catch even more fish, buy several boats, and have a whole fleet of fishing boats out there catching fish every day. Instead of selling your catch to a middleman, you can sell it directly to the processor and eventually open your own factory where you can package the fish yourself. You'd own the whole supply chain, so you could really maximize profits. Of course, you'd need to leave this small coastal fishing village and move to perhaps Mexico City to start with. But eventually, as the business grows and you build your brand, you'll be able to expand to maybe LA or even New York City and run your expanding enterprise from there." When the banker finished speaking, the fisherman asked, "How long will this all take?" The banker estimated maybe 15 to 20 years or so. The fisherman asked, "And then what?" The banker said, "Then you could retire. Move to a small coastal fishing village where you could sleep late, fish a little, play with your kids, take siestas with your wife, and stroll to the village in the evenings where you could sip wine and play guitar with your amigos." This story poses a very important question. What is your ideal day? Most people's ideal day does not require as much money as they think. For example, if your ideal day is relaxing on the beach in the sun, chatting with friends, or listening to music, it doesn't have to cost much at all. Moving to a country with a lower cost of living can also allow you to live like royalty on a small budget. Later, I will reveal 5 side hustles that no one is doing that are perfect for you to make money from today. Giving a like now to the video will increase your attention to the details we hid on the video. Money is a tool to help you get what you want, not the end goal in and of itself. It's important to remember that the goal of making money is to live a happier and more fulfilled life, not just to make money. While being ultra wealthy has its benefits, becoming a billionaire requires an insane amount of work that most people may not find worthwhile. As a result, it's critical to write down your ideal day and calculate how much money you need to achieve it. Focusing on innovation and disruption is one way to make more money. Look for ways to create something new or improve on an existing product or service. In a crowded market, this can help you stand out and potentially attract more customers or investors. Here are 5 side hustles that no one is doing that are perfect for teenagers and can earn you well over $950 or more per day. Number 1. Sneaker cleaning. Number 2. Sneaker reselling. Number 3. Pressure car washing and car detailing. Number 4. Social media marketing. Number 5. House design landscaping. Comment below if you have more ideas about how to make money. Finally, I believe in giving back to society and investing in charitable organizations. You can not only improve the lives of others by having a positive impact on the world, but you can also create a more sustainable and stable business environment. Customers and investors alike are increasingly looking for companies that place a premium on social responsibility, so this can help attract and retain valuable stakeholders. In conclusion, money is not everything. It's important to find a balance between making money and living a happy and fulfilling life. Subscribe to the channel now for more fascinating facts. Click here to find out more.